Oh no, 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 no. Never mind, you're here. First internet alert I've caught in a while. Actually, no, never mind. I caught one several days ago. That's cool. Let's go. Whoa! Where's that moving?
Strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Willowwick to 10 nautical miles north of Cleveland to near Lorraine Harbor to Huron, moving north at 50 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Western Vermilion, Avon Point, Huron,
Oh, doubleheader. Let's go. Doubleheader.
Lorraine Harbor, Vermilion, and Cleveland. Frequent lightning is occurring with these storms.
Or a
If
doubleheader.
caught on the open water
Not the
state
same
below
word,
deck
but
if
whatever.
possible, keep away from ungrounded metal objects. Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Richland County, southwestern Huron County, southeastern Seneca County in northwestern Ohio, east central Wyandotte
Oh my
County in
gosh.
northwestern Ohio, Crawford County until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:29 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Bucyrus, moving northeast at 35 miles. Interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Crawford, Huron, Richland, Seneca, and Wyandotte. This is NOAA Weather Radio WWG57 originating from the National Weather Service forecast office in Cleveland. We supply the latest available information for the Central Highlands over station WWG57 until 1:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Crawford, Huron, Richland, Seneca, and Wyandotte. This is NOAA Weather Radio WWG57 from the National Weather Service. Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Medina County in northeastern Ohio, central Lorraine County, until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Wellington, or 14 miles south of Elyria, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Elyria, Strongsville, North Ridgeville, Grafton, Wellington, Avon, Eaton, Oberlin, LaGrange, Penfield, Pittsfield, Valley City, and Eaton Estates. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Lorraine and Medina. Urgent weather message. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for southwestern Huron, southeast.
Rain warning. Oh, shoot! Oh, crap. That was unexpected. do? First activation for that. Holy crap.
Near Delaware, moving northeast at 10 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and any size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to
Holy
trees
crap.
and power lines.
Well then, that's what I
Locations
do.
impacted include Delaware, Ashley, Interstate 71 at U.S. Route 36/State Route 37, Kilbourne, Leonardsburg, and Olive Green. This includes a 71 in Ohio between mile markers 130 and 138. You're listening to NOAA Weather.
I knew it was gonna come eventually.
Radio, KIG 86, Columbus,
I just didn't
Ohio,
have that on.
originating from the National Weather Service Office in Wilmington, Ohio. We have interrupted our regular expect damage to trees and power lines.
Check out this.
Locations impacted
First zone guard
include
activation.
Delaware, Ashley, Interstate 71 at U.S. Route 36/State Route 37.
Okay, activation on that shortly.
Leonardsburg and Olive Green.
Just activated.
This includes a 71 in Ohio between mile markers 130 and 138. Here is a hazard.
I've never seen a squirrel with SVR on this. Oh,
In Ohio, Love Range, Valley City,
okay,
Delaware,
that's not
Franklin, Lincoln, Madison, and Union. Now here is a hazardous weather outlook for east central Indiana, central Ohio, and west central Ohio. For this afternoon and tonight, scattered thunderstorms are expected through this evening. A few of the storms may become strong to severe. The primary threat is strong to damaging winds. Locally heavy rainfall will also be
I ain't got an
possible.
SVR on this thing.
The combination of heat and humidity will push its index values into the mid and upper 90s. And now the extended outlook for material Wednesday through Monday. There is a low probability for widespread hazardous weather. Water activation is not expected at this time. Here is a hazardous weather outlook for the following counties in Ohio.
Nice.
Rains.
Oh no! I saw it coming.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Clark County, north central Greene County until
Why is
5:15
Iron Bot
p.m.
went off?
At 4:30 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was
Wait,
located near
Greene
Fairborn,
County?
moving northeast at 10 miles
Holy
an hour.
crap, no.
Hazard, 60 miles
Oh,
an hour.
no.
Wind gusts and quarter-size
That's
hail.
right for us.
Source, radar
Oh, wait, no, it's not.
Impact,
Holy crap,
minor hail
this is gonna be
damage
interesting.
to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees
Crap, what do you
and
want?
power lines. Locations impacted include Fairborn, New Carlisle, Wright-Patterson Air Force Base, Enoch, North Hampton, Donaldsville, Springfield Municipal Airport, Holiday Valley, Schreinerville, Crystal Lakes, and Park Lane.
This is NOAA Weather Radio WNT
Ohio between mile
from
markers
the National
42
Weather
and
Service
52.
Forecast Office in Cleveland. We supply the latest available information for north central Ohio over station
A severe
WNT
thunderstorm warning remains in
routing on a
effect until
frequency of
4:45 p.m. for
42.5
northeast. 50%.
Alright, let's try it. Let's try it.
Partly cloudy.
The warning will be allowed to
Showers in the
expire.
afternoon. Highs in the upper 70s. Chance of rain 30%.
Nice.
An hour.
Lorraine, my guy in the counties.
Chance of rain 80%.
SVR. Oh crap, I'm not even on the website. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god.
Muggy. Lows in the upper 60s. West winds around 5 miles an hour. Chance
Nice.
of rain 80%. Thursday, showers with a chance of thunderstorms. Humid with highs in the upper 70s. West winds around 5 miles an hour.
The National Weather
Chance of
Service
rain
in Cleveland
90%.
has issued a severe
Thursday
thunderstorm
night,
warning for
partly cloudy.
Rhode County
A
and
chance of
northeastern
showers and
Ohio,
thunderstorms,
southeastern Lorraine
mainly in
County
the evening.
until 5:45
Lows in
p.m.
the lower
Eastern Daylight
60s.
Time.
North winds 5 to 10 miles an hour.
Daylight time. A severe
Chance of rain
thunderstorm was
50%.
located near Rhode
And Friday,
49 miles
partly
west of
cloudy.
Medina,
A chance of showers in
20
the
miles
afternoon.
per hour.
Look at this.
Highs in the upper 70s.
60 miles per hour
Chance
with
of rain
gusts.
30%.
Source, radar
The
indicated.
National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a
Another
warning
state.
for Delaware County. It's 4:30 p.m. At 4:20 p.m. Radar and automated wind gauges indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms. Minor flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the advisory area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen.
Briarwood Beach and Eastern Estates.
Flooding in
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45
Oh, it's
p.m. Eastern
Wilmington?
Daylight
Oh,
Time
that's
for the
like
following
Tampa Bay.
counties in Ohio, Lorraine, and Montana.
Delaware State Park, State Route 257 and US Route 36. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
I didn't see that coming.
eastern Champaign County, southeastern Logan County, northeastern Clark County, northwestern Madison County, southwestern Union County, Ohio.
Oh, they decided to issue another one then.
At 5:11 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over North Lewisburg, moving northeast at 30 miles an hour. Another severe thunderstorm was located over Powhatan. Hazard, 60 miles an hour with quarter-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and
Oh,
Locations impacted include Springfield, Marysville, Urbana,
That's a slow
Mechanicsburg, North Lewisburg, Milford Center, Tremont City, Woodstock, Catawba, Mutual, Cable, Raymond, Broadway, Middleburg, Powhatan, Mingo, Pottersburg, Catawba Station, and Kinnar. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a flood advisory
it's not over yet.
Delaware County until 7:30 p.m. At 4:20 p.m., radar and automated rain
Most
gauges
certainly not
indicate
over
heavy
yet.
rain due to thunderstorms.
Oh, it's up
Minor
here.
flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the
Locations impacted include Pittsfield, North Adams, Chatham, Adams, Williamstown, Lee, Lenox, Cheshire, New Lebanon, Beckett, Austerlitz, Florida, Hancock, Savoy, New Ashford, Berkshire, Dalton, Ghent, Lanesboro, and Hughesdale. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in New York, Columbia and Rensselaer, and Berkshire, Massachusetts.
Cleveland has issued a flood advisory for southeastern Morrow County until 7:45 p.m. At 4:40 p.m.
That was not. No.
The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
Yep.
southeastern
That.
Ashland
Nope.
County,
Nope. I do not see any of that coming.
northeastern Ohio, northwestern Holmes County in northeastern Ohio, northeastern Knox County until 6:15 p.m. At 5:24
Wow,
p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Mount Downville, or 15 miles west
What was
of
that?
Pittsburgh, moving east at 15
Updates.
miles an